In this video, I'll show you how to skip intro and startup videos in Forza Horizon 4 for faster game launches. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. First off here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your Forza Horizon 4 folder, copy and paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the folder and drag and drop this media inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and now you can launch the game. As you can see, it's a black screen. Wait for 2 seconds and it will load into the game. As you can see, it skips the intro video and get into the game faster. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.